All right, let's get technical. We're doing a deep dive on the AplosSecure Platform.
This right here, this gets to the absolute heart of the problem. It's not about a lack of tools.
In fact, the average enterprise is juggling more than 45 different security tools. That's just way too complex.
And that tool sprawl, it can generate over 10,000 alerts a day. You know what that means? Alert fatigue.
What you end up with is this fragmentation crisis, a huge, vulnerable gap, especially between IT and OT systems.
So how do you fix this? How do we get from that kind of chaos to real, unified autonomy?
Well, the answer is a total shift in thinking. A single, autonomous platform, not just more point solutions.
We're talking about achieving true level 4 to 5 autonomy, where the system itself actually drives remediation.
So how does it work? Well, it's all built on 15 fully integrated security pillars.
Let's take CIM, for example. It hunts down those toxic permissions and risky access chains in the cloud.
Then you've got attack graph analysis. It literally maps how attackers could chain exploits together to get in.
And this is huge. It has native OT security built in, with deep support for the Purdue model.
All that visibility is powered by a 7-phase discovery engine that sees pretty much everything.
Okay, let's talk about the autonomous engine. This is where the platform really starts to take action.
The key here is automated remediation. It actually generates the code patches and configuration fixes for you.
But for those critical OT systems, safety is everything. Nothing runs without explicit human-in-the-loop approval.
It doesn't just wait for problems either. It proactively validates your defenses with built-in breach and attack simulation.
Its agent runs over 50 MITRE ATTN scenarios, credential dumping, lateral movement, the whole shebang.
And that proactive approach, it makes compliance an automated advantage instead of a manual nightmare.
The platform automates evidence collection for 12 major frameworks. NIST, ISO 27001, all the big ones. So what's the bottom line? It unifies your environment, automates the heavy lifting, and constantly validates your posture.
Which really just leaves one question. Is your own security architecture actually ready for this autonomous future?